You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart, and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. Today's episode is one I wish more people heard before they give up on their dream of owning a home. Let's talk about what happens when your loan application is declined, and more importantly, what to do next. First of all, if you've been declined by a bank, I want you to hear this clearly. It's not the end of the road. Too often people get that one no and think their chances of buying a home are gone. But most of the time, it's a matter of understanding why it happened and taking the right steps to improve your position. So, why do banks say no? Let's break it down. There are usually a few main reasons a bank might decline your application. The main one that we usually get is a credit history. So missed payments, defaults, or too many short-term loans. We also have income issues, not enough stable income, or your income is too variable. Too much debt, including car loans, afterpays, credit cards, yes, even the ones you don't use. Insufficient deposit, especially if you're applying with less than 20% deposit. And a most common one when you already found a property is unsuitable property for the bank. So the home does not meet the bank's criteria. And sometimes it's just the wrong bank for your situation. So what to do immediately after decline? First, do not panic. And please don't start applying at 10 other banks on your own. Every application hits your credit file, and multiple hits in a short period can lower your credit score even more. But instead, ask for a clear reason for the decline. Get it in writing if possible. Check your credit report. You can do this for free in New Zealand via Centrix or Equifax. And then, of course, talk to a mortgage advisor. And yes, this is where I can come in. Now, how a mortgage advisor can help. This is not just about shopping around for a better deal. It's about strategy. And as a mortgage advisor, I'll look at the strengths in your application, which lenders are more flexible with your profile, including second-tier lenders or non-banks if we have to, and how can we build a short-term action plan if you're not quite there yet. And sometimes we set a 3 or 6 months fixed plan, like clearing your debts, boosting the savings, or getting more stable income, and then reapply with a much higher chance of success. A quick success story. So one of my clients, let's call her Maria, came to me after a major bank told her no. She was a single mom running her own small business, and the bank didn't like the self-employed income. We worked together to restructure her debt, tighten up her business financials, and submit it to a different lender that understands self-employed borrowers better. 4 months later, she had the keys to her first home. And no does not mean never. It just means not this way. So, if your loan was declined, don't carry the shame or fear. It's a signal, not a sentence. It just means it's time to get smart, build your plan, and work with someone who can guide you through this maze. I'm here for that, and I'm only a message away. Thanks for tuning in to the Home Loan Hub. If this episode helps you or someone you know, share it, subscribe it, and leave me a review. It helps more people find their way home. See you in the next episode. And that's a wrap on That Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.